Hi folks, welcome to the Sirius project. In today's video I'm going to show you how I built this new locking tool post handle. Hope you enjoy the video. When I bought the lathe, it came with a quick change tool post, which I was very happy to get. And this is the setup with the release handle here to take the tools off. But when it came time to adjust the alignment of the tool, I always had to reach for this nice 1-inch box wrench in order to release the nut and then realign the tool for the next cut. So anyway, another small inconvenience that I noticed was that the plate underneath was smaller than the T-slot that it goes in, and so it would be a common chip collector. So I decided, after I saw a video by Halligan 142 that where he replaced this nut with a cap and a handle, I thought I would give that a try. Again, it seemed like a good upgrade to the lathe and a good practice project for me to learn more about how to use the lathe in the mill. So let me walk you real quick through the changeover. This bolt here I was happy to use again, but the thread is metric, and I was pretty sure that if I bought the tap and die to use this bolt, I would end up never using it again. And so I thought maybe I would upgrade or change it to an English unit. So I wanted to replace this as well. So first thing I did, actually the last thing I did, was build this new plate that spans the whole gap. Actually a little bit left over, so I don't know if it solves the chip problem, but it's a little bit different. I needed to rethread this hole anyway to a 5/8 11 pitch. And new bolt. You can tell that I had a real tough time doing the threads with the bolt turning in the drill chuck here, or the lathe chuck, but that doesn't ever get seen, and it's not really a problem. So anyway, new bolt with different threads, same diameter bolt. Now we're on here for that portion. Next thing is the new nut and handle, and I want to point out that I machined these curved slots in here so that I could put in 2 cap screws, and this is actually a 2-part cap. So if I wanted to readjust the way the handle points, all I have to do is go in here and loosen these screws and turn it on top of this, on top of the nut. This is the threaded piece, the bottom part. I'll take that apart in a minute. And this is the top cap that holds the handle. And so when I started to build the very first part, I wanted to do the handle and brass knob. And so I turned that knob combination on the lathe here, and I like the looks of it so much. I decided that I couldn't live with a black handle and a brass handle, and so I turned myself another one. Match this thread, and poof, now I've got matching threads, matching handles. So I like the way the alignment release works. I've got it pointed off here, off the work. As a matter of fact, it's interesting to note that no matter where I align this tool, the threads in the bolt don't change, and so the handle always points about 45 degrees off of the lathe, which is, I think, a good spot for it right now. And if I don't like it, I can release those cap screws and change the orientation. So I think I've got a little bit less leverage with this handle than I did with that big box wrench, but it's still plenty snug once that's done. The release handle works the same, and now they match. Oops, let's see. Slide this back over here. There we go. All right, there we go. Stay tuned for more videos that detail the build of this project. Thanks.